Welcome to this video, fellow gamer. If you are anything like me that knows how to have a top-notch gaming setup, is so crucial whenever we are playing game in the late night. Well, you really have to get a very powerful killer monitor in order to have a very good experience whenever you are playing video game. After all, how else are you going to trash your opponent in crystal clear resolution is very much important. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming trying to find the best gaming monitor for you, and that is why I have searched the internet and asked my fellow gamer friend and even consulted some self-proclaimed experts at the local arcade to bring you the 7 best gaming monitor. Trust me, this monitor will take your gaming experience to the next level. So grab your favorite snacks and let's get started. So without much ado, let's get started. Remember to hit on the subscribe button. The first one on the list is Alienware AW341ADW. This ultra-wide gaming monitor has a 34-inch curved display with a 1440p resolution and a fast 120Hz refresh rate. It also has G-Sync technology, which helps to eliminate screen tearing and stuttering. This makes it a great choice for the fast-paced games where smooth gameplay is crucial. Second on the list is Acer Predator X27. This monitor boasts a 27-inch 4K display with a refresh rate of 144Hz and a G-Sync tech. The 4K resolution provides ultra-sharp and detailed image, while the high refresh rate ensures smooth and fluid gameplay. It also had HDR support, which gives you more vibrant and realistic color in your games. 3. MSI Optics MPG341CQR. This 34-inch ultra-wide monitor has a 1440p resolution and a high refresh rate of 144Hz. The ultra-wide aspect ratio gives you a more immersive gaming experience and has a very higher refresh rate that ensures smooth gameplay. This also have inbuilt RGB lighting system, which add a touch of style to your setup. Number 4 on the list is Acer's ROG Swift PG279QZ. This 27-inch gaming monitor has a 1440p resolution and a fast 165Hz refresh rate. It also has G technology and a slim bezel design, making it a great choice for your multi-monitor setup. The high refresh rate and G-Sync tech make this monitor ideal for a very fast-paced games where smooth gameplay is a must. 5 on the list is AOC CQ32G1. It is a 32-inch curved gaming monitor, also have 1440p resolution and also 144Hz refresh rate. The curved display provides a more immersive gaming experience, and the high refresh rate ensures smooth gameplay. It also has a FreeSync technology, which helps to eliminate screen tearing and stuttering. On the 6th is BenQ AX3203R. This 32-inch curved gaming monitor has a 1440p resolution and a very fast 144Hz refresh rate. It also has FreeSync technology and HDR support, which give out a very powerful, stunning, crispy visual into your game, and the display always refresh, and the monitor is very ideal for your game. The HDR support adds a level of realism to your gaming experience. And the last on the list is LG27GLA3A-B. It is a 27-inch gaming monitor, which also have 1440p resolution and have a very fast 144Hz refresh rate. It has a FreeSync technology and a slim bezel design, making it a great choice for multi-monitor setup. The high refresh rate and FreeSync technology make this monitor perfect for a fast-paced game, and the bezel design allows for a very powerful multi-setup. Well, In conclusion, look at these 7 of the best gaming monitor in the market, from ultra wide display to high refresh rate and 4K resolution. You can have all this monitor and all. Now listen, when choosing a gaming monitor, it is important to consider your personal need and preferences. If you are a competitive gamer who needs a high refresh rate for fast-paced game, or do you prefer a larger ultra wider display for a more immersive crispy experience? Well, no matter what you are looking for, one of these 7 monitors is sure to meet your need. The Honeywell AW341 ADW Acer Predator 7 MXI Optics MP G341 CQR, Asus ROG Swift PG279QZ, AOC CQ32G1, BenQ EX3203R, and LG27GL83A-B are all top performers that will take your gaming to the next level. So, if you're in the market for the new gaming monitor, be sure to check this out. 7 options, and you will thank me later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Like and comment on this video. See you in the next one.